Let's go.
For there are many of whom I have often told you, and now tell you even with tears, who walk, live as enemies of the cross of
It
Christ.
means as they live and walk, they live as enemies. They walk as enemies of Christ. Let's go.
Who walk, live as enemies of the cross of Christ, the anointed one. 19. They are doomed, and their fate is eternal misery, perdition.
Hey, do you understand? They've got faith, but the end is misery. Is what? Misery. It means these are people who've got faith, but they've not eaten. Remember the story of Abraham. Genesis 12, he goes out of his father's house. By faith. Hebrews 11 verse 8. By faith he went out of his father's house. Genesis 14. God says, my servant, no. You can't go on. You can't continue without eating. If I send you, you must eat. If you come to me, you must eat me. So if you go there, you can change the gospel. You can change the truth in order to feed your stomach. Let's go.
They are doomed, and their fate is eternal misery.
Their faith is eternal misery.
Perdition. Their God is their stomach.
These are people who've got faith. But Paul says their God is the stomach. Meaning they have not conquered the natural body with the celestial body. They are still ruled by the flesh. They've not eaten from God. Though they have faith, but they've not eaten from God. They've not eaten from the table of righteousness. If you eat righteousness, you'll never be hungry again. You'll no longer be thirsty again. That's why when you are fasting, the moment you fast, what happens? Why goes it? Only the Baba is we Baba Umelamanz. But low was soul edlile. You understand? Ne? It matters whether you have eaten from the table of righteousness or you've got faith that has not eaten. Abraham had faith, but he ate. Elijah had faith, but he ate. 1 Kings chapter 19. Elijah was running away from Jezebel. Athi sekafuna ukufa manje. Athi inkosi ngithathe. Hayi babulela abaprofeti bakho ngithathe. And what happened? The angel said, Elijah, turn and he saw fresh bread. He was running away, meaning he was hungry. So he had to eat from such a table. When he eats, he becomes sober. God says, ufunani la. The moment you eat from the table of righteousness, if wicked people were planning to destroy you, you are able to go back to them. Not with the natural body, but I come with the soul that has eaten. I come with the soul that is satisfied, not having a trap of the stomach. Meaning they can't buy you. They can't buy you. You're already filled from within. You cannot change the gospel and say no, the gospel sure. No, don't use the wrong net to pull the crowds. Don't only use preaching to pull the crowd. Carry the bread in your hand. Carry the bread in your hand. Feed them as God wants to feed them. And those who belong to Him, the bread will choose within them
isinkwa sizowakha ngaphakathi kwabo
the righteousness of God.
ukulunga
They will be in a right standing with God.
bazoba sekulungeni
Those who will eat in a wrong manner,
labazodla ngendlela engalungile
it will decompose.
kuzobola
It will go to the stomach.
kuzoya nje esiswini
It means these are off ramp.
yotshintsha
Some
indlela
eat and they are off ramp. Some eat ihamba
Abanye
straight
bayadla
to the
bese
soul.
iyaqhubeka iye emphefumulweni
So many have eaten
abaningi badlile
from the table of God,
etafuleni kaNkulunkulu
but it was a taste it off ramped at the end.
ya yajika shintsha indlela egcineni